You can easily add noise suppression in OBS Studio, so whether you are streaming or recording screen or doing whatever, you don't need to add any post-video recording effects. You can just easily do it within OBS itself while you are streaming or recording. To do that, just select your mic and click on filters here. I have already added this filter. In your case, you will see this empty. So just click on this plus here and select noise suppression. You can give it any name you want. And here there are two methods. First one uses more CPU but is a high quality one. The second one uses low CPU but it's low quality. So if you have CPU problems, if your CPU is limited, choose low CPU usage one. Else you can just use this one, that is the good quality one, and then just close it and you are good to go. Your noise will be removed as you are recording without any post recording edits.